Friend, what we've achieved is mind-blowing. We've developed proprietary artificial intelligence that lets you auto-create a fully functional website in seconds in ChatGPT-Style, and preloaded with stunning designs, high-converting copy, high-quality blog posts, stunning logos, and more. As you know, today without a website, no business can survive. Your website works 24/7 even while you sleep to increase your visibility, improve your credibility, increase your brand's awareness, engage your customer, increase your sales, give you competitive advantage, help you improve customer service, help you target your customer better, give you access to customer feedback. But here's the problem. While it may sound simple, getting a fully functional website with good designs, blogs, fast loading speed, and mobile responsiveness is not easy or cheap. Until now, you had three options. Option 1, do it yourself from scratch. Option 2, using complicated and super expensive tools like hosting, website builder app, content builder app, website design app, and many more. Option 3, pay thousands in hard-earned money for freelancers. What if there's a brand new groundbreaking software that auto-creates a website in seconds in ChatGPT-Style? All you need to do is simply ask and watch this ChatGPT-Style app create a full-blown, ready-to-use and ready-to-sell website in any niche in real time. It's all thanks to the EazySitePRO app, a brand new groundbreaking software that auto-creates a fully functional website in seconds, preloaded with stunning designs, high-converting copy, high-quality blog posts, stunning logos, and more. And important features like free hosting for all the websites on our blazing fast server, plus no domain required. Built-in Spinner text module creates unlimited unique content for your site that Google loves and ranks higher. AI generates logo, images, testimonials, site code, blog posts. AI enables social sharing, mobile responsiveness automatically. Create your website in ChatGPT-Style for any niche in just 3 steps. Step 1, ask the app to create a website in any niche you want. Step 2, watch the app auto-create a website with stunning designs, high-converting copy, high-quality blog posts, eye-catching logos, and more. Step 3, use your business to engage visitors and convert them into paying customers or sell them to your clients for easy profits. And it's all smooth sailing from there. If you're tired of going nowhere and want some change, then EazySitePRO is the shortcut you've been searching for. It's only fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. First movers can take unprecedented advantage of this sophisticated technology. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a lower price. So it's really about embracing the change as quickly as possible to profit like never before. In the event that you don't make unprecedented profits with EazySitePRO for a cost equivalent to your morning coffee and bagels, then we assure you a complete refund. Simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. EazySitePRO will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So be warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get EazySitePRO for the lowest price. We're excited to see you inside.